everyone, I am here just with a quick update on Hobby Lobby haul that I had yesterday. I went back to Hobby Lobby only because the haul that I presented to you yesterday was at a different location because I was visiting with my sister in Carlsbad. But now I come here and I go to my Hobby Lobby in Torrance. And I gotta tell you, I found different things on sale. So let me get started with that. Okay, so first of all, things have changed at Hobby Lobby. Everything that was 66% off, that was the spring shop, is now 75% off. So I was able to find this cute dishcloth that says, "Blessed are those who do dishes." And I already took it out of its package. It was already hanging in my kitchen, trying to inspire my children to help me with dishes. Anyway, so I got this 75% off. So I was also able to get this bin, which I'm going to be putting some games in here just to hold them. And this was $25. I got it for $6.50, $6.49 around. So, and it is a very good size, and it's deep, and they had a lot of different ones. So these are 75% off. Fall stuff continue to be 40% off, so that has not changed. I got these two different sizes of sunflowers. I want to compare them to the ones from the Dollar Tree, so I got one of each. Okay, also 40% off. I found these little bitty mini leaves, and they are 45 pieces, and I thought these would be perfect for card making. I mean, these are adorable. Look at how tiny they are. I love them. I love them. 45 pieces, not too shabby. So that means that they came out to $2.99. Alright. And also for 75% off, I found these things, which are place card holders, but I don't use them for that. I use them for pictures, to stand pictures. I thought this was very cute. So I will be taking this out in the spring of next year, but I'm going to try dyeing it to match my living room. So that is cute. And I like this one. This looks like a dress, doesn't it? It's a bunch of like tassels put together. Thought this was cute. And this one, we like to celebrate birthdays at my house. I thought that it would be perfect to put the picture of the person that we're celebrating and stick it at the entrance. So I got these three, 75% off. And I also got these for my kitchen. They look a little green on screen, but they're really teal. So that matches my kitchen as well. And these are just to put hot pans on the table. The teacher section was also 40% off, and I got these mini cutouts, and they use these for the teachers to put on the calendars when there's a birthday, I guess, in the classroom. But of course, I'm not going to use that for that. No, I am going to punch a hole here, and I am going to use these as tags. It's a total of 36 for $1.99 minus the 40% off. It came out to $1.19 for all these. So yay! And one thing that has changed is everything labeled the Paper Studio is 50% off. So I wanted to share with you, these are the card bases that I buy. These are the smaller ones that I consider my A2, and these are what I consider the A7. These are 5 inches by 6.5. So these are larger than your A2 size. And I like these because they're ready to go. They are already scored for you, and you just put them through your printer or just work on them directly. And they do come with their envelopes. So these were 50% off. Also, Paper Studio, I was going through my stack and I noticed that my black cardstock was running low, so I was able to get this 50 sheet pack of cardstock. It's not very flimsy, and this was 50%. Another Paper Studio. Another thing I am addicted to is paper pads. I love paper pads. They just inspire me. And I like this because it was very vintagey. I really like the different kinds of cardstocks that they had. The colors, very subtle, very vintagey. I have a lot of images that are vintage-like. And I thought that this paper pad would come in beautifully with it. I think most of this cardstock I will be able to use for what I need. Another one that I found that I just fell in love with it is this icy blue. A lot of ideas kept flowing through my mind as to things that I wanted to work with. Let me open it up here so I could share with you. But this one has a little bit of foiling to it, if you can see. And I love those flowers. This is something that I'm going to be working on. See? Oh, look at that pattern. It's beautiful. And I just couldn't walk away from it. I just think that it has a lot of possibilities. Very pretty. The foiling is awesome. Look at this one. Very sweet. The bad thing with this is that when you take pictures of it, I mean, it doesn't do it justice at all. Foiling also. So I thought this was a very good paper pad, and this was also, you know, 50% off because it was Paper Studio. Now, one thing that you have to be careful at Hobby Lobby is that people that are at the cash registers, they have to remember what's on sale and what's not. So you have to be right on them. And it may seem annoying at times for them, but it'll save you headaches, that's for sure. And why I'm saying that is because I hit the ribbon section again. Yes, I did. And ribbon is still 50% off. All spools are 50% off, and then they have some clearance. And I got these two spools to go actually with my icy blue paper, right? But the girl didn't mark them 50% off. She gave them to me regular price. Even after I told her everything that I'm buying is either on sale or is clearance. She didn't check with me, oh, this is regular price. No, she just went ahead and she rang it up regular price. So you do have to be on top of the cash registers, or not on top of them, help them out. Help them and do their job. So these are the ribbons that I got. I know I had a couple of friends that were waiting to see the ribbons from Hobby Lobby. I've got this one, 74 cents. This one's beautiful, 74 cents. So the wider ones are 74 cents. This is very silky, very easy to manage. I love it. Beautiful burgundy color. This is another burgundy. This has like a little ruffle edge to it. This is 74. This one is 49 cents. So it's a beautiful plum color, also silky. And then we have this one that is 74 cents. This one, I was surprised when I took out the little end that it is elastic. And I thought that this color was pretty cool because it's kind of goldy. So it has elastic in it. And so does this blue one. I love this blue color. So this is also elastic, 74 cents. These are 3 yards each of these. This is also 74 cents. This is also the silky one. And for this one, it is 5 yards, the silky one. And this one I thought was very pretty pink. I like that I got 2 widths of this. These are each 49 cents. Okay, so those are those. Also another pink. This is actually a little lighter than the previous one. And you could see here the difference in color. And it may seem on the screen very shiny, but actually isn't. It's very silky. It's satin. And so I got this one, this width, 49 cents. And this one was 74 cents, and I just wanted to let you know that this glitter does come off. I don't know if you could see it on my finger. It does come off. So if you don't like fussing with glitter, this is not the ribbon for you. I know I don't like fussing with glitter, but I got it already. So this one was 49 cents. And this one is not elastic, but it has its beautiful trim there. And this is also 3 yards. Then this one, this is 3 yards, and it has a really cute edge to it. Now the other Hobby Lobby in Carlsbad did not have these on sale. I know it. It didn't. And then I got this one, which is also 49 cents. And it's actually the middle size of the other one that I got before. So I got those 3 sizes in that color. It's a very pretty hot pink. I know that the camera doesn't do it justice. It's a very beautiful color. And then I found this one that I got at the other Hobby Lobby, but here it was 49 cents. So the other Hobby Lobby did not have this one on clearance, but this one did. So it only tells you, go and check your Hobby Lobby. You never know what they have on clearance and what you can find. If you need ribbon, go ahead and take a look. Go ahead and visit and see what you can find. All right, that was my update. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye. I wanted to work with it. Chewy. Chewy. No. Quiet. Excuse you? Let go. Let go. Jeez. Fine. Doesn't say how many. How many yards are you? Hey, you, my friend, are being difficult. No need to be difficult. I'll try this one. Forget it.